Want to keep your hard-earned money safe? Then listen up. Hey there, future financial wizards, investing can be a game changer, but there's one big blunder many new investors make. It's called, yeah, it sounds fancy, but here's the deal. Trying to buy low and sell high might seem like a smart move, but more often than not, it leads to buying high and selling low. Ouch, right? Instead, focus on a strategy called, it's like your financial bestie. You invest a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, no matter what the market is doing. Why is this great? Because it helps you avoid the emotional roller coaster of market ups and downs. You get more shares when prices are low and fewer when prices are high. Simple, right? Think of it like planting a tree. You don't wait for the perfect weather, you plant it and let it grow over time. Same with your investments. Consistency is key. So next time you're tempted to time the market, remember, slow and steady wins the race. Dollar cost averaging for the win. Got it? Great. Now go out there and make that money work for you. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and follow for more tips on mastering your money. Catch you next time.